just leaving to get to class, and I feel like for the first time in a very long time, I'm not about to be late. I mean, that could all change depending on traffic, but I'm feeling optimistic and hopeful. I love how working out makes you feel. Like when I get done working out, I have so much energy. I love it so much. And we're going to Ikea.
Hi, what's up?
We're in Ikea and it's quite exciting, but it's really, really busy. It's quite overwhelming as well.
I'm loving it.
Loving it. Ikea was somewhat successful.
And draining.
It was quite draining. Food?
Food.
Food. Was a complete success.
A success.
Food mission was a success. Put your hands in the air and jump the beat. Bye, Raggy! Bye, see you Monday. Our friend's 10th wedding anniversary is tonight. They're having a party in our village hall. Where's the end of my jacket? It started like an hour and a half ago. I'm late again, as per usual. This will just have to do.
Enjoy, drink, eat, be merry.